Hello guys, welcome back to My Team Academy. Guys, today we'll discuss about human skeletal system. Right now, in this video we'll discuss about of the bones. Guys, total bones is what guys? 206. What guys? 206. Human skeletal system is divided into two parts guys. First one is known as a axial skeletal system, axial skeleton, and the second one is known as a what? Appendicular skeleton. Appendicular skeleton, right? Axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Guys, that 206 bone, out of 206 bone guys, 80 bones form axial skeleton system, and the remaining guys 126 bones form appendicular skeleton. So let's we start and discuss about of the axial skeletal system. Guys, in axial skeletal system, the first part will be what guys? That is called the skull. Under the axial skeletal system, the first part is known as a skull guys. Right now, second part is known as a what? Ear ossicle. Ear ossicle also considered under the axial skeleton. Right now, next will be guys hyoid bone. Hyoid bone is also part of what guys? Part of the axial skeletal system. Guys, out of 80 bone, listen, out of 80 bone in skull region, how many bones are present guys? In skull region, 22 bones are present. We are talking about of the ear ossicle guys, 6 bone in ear ossicle, in the sense 3 pair of the ear ossicle, right? Next is the hyoid bone guys. Hyoid bone is the single bone, so one bone is a hyoid bone is there guys. Next part is known as a what? That is called the rib cage. What we can say guys? Rib cage. So rib cage have actually 3 parts. The first one is known as a dagger shaped bone. Dagger shaped bone in the sense what guys? Sternum. How many sternum guys? Only one bone, one sternum is there right now. Second one is known as a what guys? That is called the ribs. So how many ribs guys? Ribs actually 12 pair of ribs. 12 pair in the sense 24 ribs are there, right? Next will be what guys? About of the backbone. Next will be what guys? Backbone. Guys, how many backbones guys? About of 26 will be there. 26 backbones are there guys right now. In case of what guys? In case of the children's, it will be what guys? It will be 33. It will be 33, right? Okay. So this is a part of what guys? Part of the axial skeleton. So under the axial skeletal system guys, 22 bones in skull region, 6 bone where guys? In ear ossicle. So 26 and 6 will be what guys? 28 bone. One is a hyoid bone, like what guys? 29 bone. One is what guys? Sternum, that is called the 30 bone right now. Next will be what guys? Ribs. How many guys? 24, means what guys? 30 and 24 will be what? 54 bones are there. And guys, backbone is what guys? 26. So total will be what guys? Total will be the 80 bones, right? So axial skeleton actually consists of the 80 bones. Let's be discuss one by one guys. First part is what? First part is the actually skull part is there. First part is what guys? About of the skull. How many bones found in skull region guys? What I said, 22 bones are there guys. That skull have a 2 parts. One part is known as a what guys? That is called the cranium. What we can say guys? That is called the cranium. And second one is known as a what guys? That is called the facial bone. So cranium bone you can say, as well as what guys? Facial bone. How many cranium bones guys? 8 bones. How many guys? 8 bone. How many facial bone guys? 14 bones found in the face region. Guys, let's we discuss about the what guys? About of the first, that is called the cranial bone or cranium bone. Right now, cranium bone. How many cranium? I said 8 bone is there. What is the name of the cranium bone guys? So first cranium bone is known as a what? This is called the frontal. What we can say guys? Frontal. How many frontal guys? 1 bone, right? Next is what guys? That is called the parietal. How many parietal guys? 1 parietal is there right now. Next will be what guys? Frontal, parietal, then occipital. Sorry, parietal will be 2. Frontal 1, parietal will be 2. Next will be what guys? That is called the occipital. How many occipital guys? 1 occipital will be there. Next will be what guys? That is called the temporal. How many temporal bone guys? That is called the 2 temporal. Next will be what guys? That is called the ethnoid. How many ethnoid guys? 1 bone will be there. Next will be what guys? About of the sphenoid. How many sphenoid guys? That is called the 1 will be there. So 1 frontal, 2 parietal, 1 occipital, 2 temporal, ethanoid, sphenoid, 1. So total will be what guys? Total will be 8 bone. How many guys? 8 bones. Right now 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 bone is there. Guys, here sphenoid is very important guys. Right now suppose that this is a sphenoid bone is there. Right now sphenoid. Actually in sphenoid bone guys, one depression is there guys. What guys? Depression means what? Simply you can say about the cavity found in where guys? Found in sphenoid bone. Guys, that cavity found in sphenoid bone, this cavity is known as a what? This cavity is called sella turiscica. What we can say guys? That cavity is known as a sella turiscica. Guys, what is that sella turiscica guys? In sella turiscica region, one important gland actually present. The presence of the gland is known as a what? Pituitary gland. What guys? Pituitary gland. So where is the location of pituitary gland? Location of the pituitary gland in sella turiscica region. Right now, and sella turiscica is what guys? It is a cavity found in where guys? Found in a sphenoid bone. Guys, same condition in case of what guys? In case of the occipital. Same in case of what guys? Same in case of the occipital. Guys, occipital is what? Occipital also have a hole. Occipital also have what guys? One large hole is there guys, right? One large hole. Guys, actually this large hole is known as a what? It is called the foramen magnum. What we can say guys? It is called the foramen magnum is there right now. Guys, what is the function of this foramen magnum? Actually foramen magnum is the reason where brain exit out as a spinal cord. What we can say guys? Where it exit out as a brain exit out as a spinal cord. That is the reason of the foramen magnum. So foramen magnum is what guys? Hole found in a occipital bone. Sella turiscica is what guys? Cavity or depression found in where guys? Sphenoid bone. So from the foramen magnum region guys, brain exit out as a spinal cord, and in sella turiscica region guys, location of pituitary gland means pituitary gland found in sella turiscica region. Is that clear guys or not? Right? So this is about of the cranium bone. Guys, do you know one thing, that a human skull is known as a what guys? Human skull is called human skull is what guys? Dicondyle skull. What guys? Dicondyle skull. That is the most important point. Human skull is what guys? Human skull is a dicondyle skull. Dicondyle skull in the sense what guys? Dicondyle human skull means the region of the skull where it will be bind, or simply you can say articulate the first vertebral bone known as a atlas will be there. So this is about that reason. Due to that property, we can say human skull is what guys? Dicondyle skull, right? Guys, second part of the skull is what guys? About of the facial bone. What guys? About of the facial bone. So how many facial bone guys? Already I said 14 bone found in our face region. Guys, facial bone, the first facial bone is what guys? That is called the zygomatic. What we can say? Zygomatic. How many zygomatic guys? 2 bones zygomatic bone. Right now found in where? Found in cheek region. After the zygomatic is what guys? You can say nasal bone. How many nasal bone guys? 2 nasal bone will be there. Next will be what guys? That is called the nasal conchae. How many nasal conchae guys? Upper nasal conchae. 2 bone of the nasal conchae region will be there. Right now 2 nasal bone, 2 zygomatic bone, 2 nasal conchae. Next guys, about the palatine bone. How many palatine bone guys? 2 palatine bone right now. Next will be what guys? That is called the vomer. How many vomer bone guys? 1 vomer bone will be there right now. Guys, next about of the lacrimal. What guys? Lacrimal bone. How many lacrimal bone guys? 2 lacrimal bone is there, right? Next about of the maxilla. What guys? Maxilla. How many maxilla guys? 2 maxilla is there. Next will be what guys? That is called the mandible. How many mandible guys? 1 mandible is there. So guys, 2 zygomatic, 2 nasal 4, 2 nasal conchae 6, 2 palatine bone 8 right now, 1 vomer 9, 1 mandible, what guys, 1 mandible 10, 2 maxilla 12, 2 lacrimal bone 14. So this is what guys, it is about of the 14 bones, those bone found in our facial region. So that's why it is known as a facial bone. In skull region guys, how many bones guys? I mean cranium region, how many bones guys? 8 bone. Which bone? Frontal, parietal, temporal, occipital, ethmoid as well as a sphenoid. Cavity of the sphenoid is known as a what? Sella thoracica. In that region what present? Presence of the pituitary gland or location of pituitary gland. Hole found in where guys? Occipital region. That hole is known as a what? Foramen magnum. In that foramen magnum what occur guys? Actually brain exit out as a spinal cord. Human skull is what guys? Dicondyle skull because of the attached with first backbone known as a atlas, right? So this is what guys, it is about of the axial skeleton, and we finished about of the skull part. Under the skull we finished about of the cranium bone as well as what guys? Facial bone. In next video we'll discuss about the ear ossicle, hyoid bone as well as what guys? Rib cage. So have a nice day guys, we'll meet in next video. Thank you.